For years, President Obama has been deeply concerned with the challenge of father absence in America and the attendant outcomes that drives for children around the country, particularly in communities where the rates of father involvement are particularly low. In response to this, we've led the administration's approach to fatherhood issues and launched a national conversation on fatherhood. We convene local groups for regional efforts on fatherhood, and by the end of next month, we will have engaged 5 cabinet secretaries in that work. We're learning from these very same organizations about what works and what doesn't, and we use that knowledge to help lead a policy process with HHS that culminated in the recent President's budget announcement of a new Fatherhood, Marriage, and Family Innovation Fund that puts community impacts first. This work as a convener has also been expressed in the mentoring field. Prior to a major event we did with the President, we brought together mentoring organizations like Mentor Inc. and corporations like Viacom. And in a partnership that led to Viacom's sponsoring of mentoring programs at their corporate offices around the country. This is a new way of doing things. The list of partnerships goes on. We worked with groups to sponsor over 4,000 interfaith service projects during the administration's United We Serve Summer of Service campaign. Right now, we're working through our AIDS center at USAID, to bring together NGOs in collaboration around Haiti response. We launched a new Feed a Neighbor anti-hunger initiative, and we're working with the broader Domestic Policy Council and White House Council on Women and Girls on a common ground agenda around unintended pregnancy and reducing the need for abortion, an effort that has engaged many of our council members. And we join with the National Security Council and the State Department and others on the President's address in Cairo, and ensuring that the State Department could ably follow up on that speech to engage religious and civic communities abroad. These partnerships with local organizations are not about money alone. They're not about picking winners and losers. Instead, they're about partnering with groups and sectors to have an impact on real-world problems. That's how we'll measure our success.